Hey everybody, it's Matt taking a look today at the Ray-Ban Stories Wayfarer sunglasses, smart sunglasses I should say, now available at Best Buy, online at bestbuy.ca. I actually recently received these as a gift and I thought we'd take a look together. So slowly unboxing things here. I took the sleeve off because it was a little bit tight around the box, but here's the box itself and here's the package itself. And one thing that I thought was really cool was that the carrying case actually doubles as a charge station as well. So we're going to charge everything before we take it out for a test drive. Here's the glasses themselves, and there's a charging station where there's a piece here, as you can see, that clips up to the charge dock. I've heard that it's up to 6 hours at a time for continuous usage, 3 hours of music streaming, and the case itself is good for 3 charges at a time. So plenty of battery life on this. You don't really have to worry by the sounds of it. And we're also going to download and use the Facebook View app for this. So let's put this on the charge dock and let's take it for a spin. It's a pretty simple and straightforward charge. It's just USB-C. So yeah, there's an indicator here that popped up after a few seconds. I'm assuming it turns green once it's finished charging. So I have to run some errands and I'll come back and check on this in a couple hours.
Setup is pretty easy once you've charged the glasses and carrying case. Download the Facebook View app and follow instructions. Operation of your glasses is pretty simple. Want to take a picture? Hold the button above your right temple on the frame until you hear a shutter noise. The LEDs shine as well. Want to listen to music or take phone calls? There's a slider bar on the right side of the frame where you can adjust volume and skip tracks with tapping. You can even utilize voice commands through the onboard assistant like, "Hey Facebook, take a photo," or "Hey Facebook, take a video" to engage with the camera. By the way, want to take a video the non-verbal way? Just tap that right side button. Stories alerts people that you are recording by turning the white LED light on. You can choose within the app whether you want 30 or 60-second recordings. Press it again to stop recording, or it'll automatically stop when you reach your max time. You can then upload outstanding images to your phone via Bluetooth. The internal storage has enough memory though for about 15 minutes of video or a couple hundred photos. Pictures are saved in 2592 by 1984 resolution, while videos are saved at a square 1134 by 1134. One thing you cannot do, however, is take a picture while recording a video, similar to what you might do on your phone while recording a video. The video recording will just stop and make you take the picture separately. You can then take your captures and put them up on socials through the View app. You can start Facebook or Instagram stories or just look at doing straight posts. You can also download them to your camera roll. The first time you do this, you'll get asked if you'd just like to do automatic exports all the time. I declined this generous offer because I'm a terrible photographer and I need tons of tries to get it right. I took this video while driving because I just wanted to see how the camera would capture at faster speed than my normal walking or jogging, and it looks pretty good as you can see. I'm going to be interested in trying this out in more summery activities like riding a roller coaster or hiking. Unfortunately, January is not the most ideal time of year to do any of this. Lastly, here's a video I filmed in darker and lower lighting. This is the darkest I did any filming in since the glasses don't have flash or any sort of additional lighting, so you can guess what it would be like in the middle of the night. I mean, you can see that it's struggling a little bit as it is, and that's not really that surprising. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking as well here so you can listen to the microphone pick up the sound. Here's a snapshot of my view on that walk from the glasses, and let's place it above the same vantage point captured from my phone. Obviously, there's a quality difference as you can see, but the moment's camera still snapped an alright evening photo given a lack of surrounding lights. Again, when you're working with tiny technology like this, I'll take it. The last snaps here I'll also show are from a bus bench I took, and both of these are from the glasses. Here's a photo I took while standing still, and another I took while walking past and not stopping. Aside from the angle tilt of my head, it didn't actually turn out half bad. My overall thoughts on these glasses? Well, I like them, but I don't think they're for everybody right now. There's a lot of cool opportunities and things you can do with them, especially since it'd be hands-free recording, but I do think that until the technology starts to better mirror what a phone camera can do, most people will probably want to stick to their smartphone and the regular Ray-Bans.
These are the Ray-Ban Stories smart glasses, now available at Best Buy. Once again, this is the Wayfarer model, but there are about 3 or 4 different types that you can get. And as well, if you wear a prescription, there are some places in Canada online where you can get prescription versions of these. You just can't do that at Best Buy. But regardless, this model and the non-prescription models are now available at Best Buy and online at bestbuy.ca. Thanks for watching this review. My name is Matt. Please subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and we'll see you next time.